Y'all, this just does not happen in South Carolina. Here it is the 26th day of December, the day after Christmas, and it started snowing on Christmas night. And it just does not snow in South Carolina for Christmas. And this is just absolutely one of the wildest occasions we have ever experienced here in the middle of the South. Incredible. Is it global warming? I don't know. But I sure am enjoying all this snow, because it has snowed in South Carolina on Christmas Day 2010. Just imagine that. Here's a beautiful view of our farm on Christmas Day. Merry Christmas to everyone from the Wooden Horse Farm.